Cashmere. Naptime Buddy. Cashmere Soft. Machine washable. Perfect newborn gift. Top reviews from the United States. Not a good replace lovey. My 22-month-old lost his. He's had it since he was 3 months old and it goes everywhere with him. Ended up finding it, thank goodness. But I was in complete panic, so I ordered another one, and the faces were so different looking. I thought he would notice, but thankfully it was time for bed when it got here. He couldn't tell it wasn't his snuggle in the dim light. Haha. Then I found his old one, kept this one in case of emergencies, but wish the faces were similar. They don't have to be identical, but this was a big difference. All in all, a very durable and long-lasting lovey. It's been 2 years almost and it's been through everything. Washed so many times I can't count. Perfect lovey size too.